Hey guys, this is Reggie with Stock Talk. My channel is about swing trading. So I find swing trades and I post them to alert you guys. I look at hundreds of stocks a day, and when I find little gems, I like to post it, and so you guys can add it to your watch list and make a play on them. So in order to get this information, be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I drop a video. All right, so what I have on my screen now is Stitch Fix. Now, uh, Stitch Fix is as an example I like to use. So this swing trade is about short squeezes, and so I like to list short squeezes as I find them. So this is if you don't know what a short squeeze is, write that down, Google it, and so I can't go over it right now in the video. So this is one. Stitch Fix is like a good example I like to show. I had warned of a short squeeze on Stitch Fix at the beginning of December, and if you look on December 7th, it gapped up from $35 and hit 49 and just ran. This is a daily chart. Each candlestick is 1 day. Just ran, right? Hit his head up here at $72, came down, tried to go up, came down again, and then just blew up. Boof, this full steam ahead, blew out of that resistance level. And now, if you look at this, I mean, this video isn't about Stitch Fix, but it looks like it's still got more room to go. The RSI and MacD is showing a bullish pattern. So I might make a play on that. So anyway, this is what this video is about. This video is about another stock, Micro Vision. Now, Microvision developed scanning technology, and it uses the scanning technology in like 3D displays, light detection, and range sensing, like lidar. Now, if you're familiar with lidar, lidar is if you remember, Apple dropped some news about them making their electric vehicles, and they were going to work with companies that use lidar. And lidar is actually funny. It was invented by a 14-year-old, but lidar uses light detection. So it basically helps the self-driving vehicles see the road through light detection. So it is next level technology that's going to be implemented in self-driving vehicles. So this is a good play on a tech stock. So Microvision, look at the path that it's taken, right? So um, it's starting here. So microvision. Now, if you look at the dots, this is the SAR indicator. It showed uptrend here, downtrend, and now just starting the beginning of an uptrend. The RSI is going from oversold, which means there's a lot of selling of the stock, and now the stock is starting to be bought up. So there's a lot of buying going on. The MACD still shows a downtrend, but it shows weakness in that downtrend. So this shows a beginning of strength to the upside, right? That's not guaranteed now. One thing I always say, no one has the right to tell a stock which direction to go. So always be careful for bull traps and bear traps, right? So we have back here in December 4th, started moving sideways, was riding the top of this Bollinger Band, gapped all the way up here to almost $9.30, retraced down, found support down here about $5, and now it's running back up again. And we're probably so now our support, our main support, will be here at the 927 mark. And so we need to pass through that 927 mark to really explode to the upside. Microvision is about, I believe it was 50%, 50 to 40% shorted. So it's heavily shorted right now. It had a lot of bad press in about a month ago, in which people, not bad press, but bad reviews from strategists, right? So you have, let's see, on the 22nd. That's when it gapped up on the 22nd, and they're saying it's overvalued. The evaluation keeps showing overvalued. They're saying it's really old tech that's gone nowhere. So a lot of bad. I guess you just almost say like, this is a hotel. This would be bad reviews. But you can't deny the chart patterns, right? So as a swing trader, I mean, I'm not long. I'm not looking to retire off this one stock. I'm just buying based off the pattern, right? So if you are looking to go long on a stock like this, then I would recommend doing more due diligence if you're looking to actually invest. But swing trading, I trade based off the stock patterns. So it's showing bullish. This is a bullish pattern. We had a bit of indecision the last 2 days on the stock. So let's keep an eye on it. Add this to your watch list. It shows a lot of strength to the upside. Our volume could be better though, right? So, but like when it jumped here, look, so you had volume was up and down. This is our volume columns here. Volume was up and down, up and down, up and down, and bam, just exploded with bad news, right? Which is weird. I mean, let's go to the report here on the 22nd, right here. See, well, like some Apple said did it. So we had good and bad news. Some about Apple, and then you have Hindenburg, which is a short seller, gave it a price target of $1.50. Right? So just beware. I mean, they could be right. You never know. But then again, considering the source, they make money off the stock going down. So it's in their best interest uh, to tweet bad news about the stock. But as right now, we have a bullish chart pattern. So I would take a small position on it, and so you can scoop the gains off of that. And if it goes south, it goes the opposite way, and there's no big loss. So any questions, let me know. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be aware of my research and the things I find. So I'm going to play a small position on this. I wouldn't bet the house, but then again, growing your portfolio is about base hits, not hitting home runs, right? So we take a bunch of base hits, and out of those swings, a home run will come about. All right, so this is Reggie with Stock Talk. I will see you on the next video.